Welcome to our video on vertical gardening in small spaces. In this video, we'll show you how to transform your balconies and patios into beautiful and productive gardens. Whether you have limited outdoor space or simply want to maximize your gardening area, vertical gardening is a great solution, so let's get started. The first step in creating a vertical garden on your balcony or patio is to choose the right containers. Opt for lightweight, durable containers that can be easily mounted or hung on your walls. Consider the size of your space and the types of plants you want to grow. Some popular choices include wall pockets, hanging baskets, and vertical planters. Next, prepare the soil for your vertical garden by adding compost or a high-quality potting mix. Ensure that your containers have proper drainage to prevent waterlogging. Now, it's time to select and plant your desired plants. Choose a variety of plants with different heights, textures, and colors to create an eye-catching display. To make the most of your vertical space, incorporate vertical structures and trellises into your garden design. These structures provide support for climbing plants and help create a lush and vibrant look. Consider materials such as bamboo, metal, or wood for your trellises, and ensure they are securely attached to your balcony or patio walls. Proper irrigation is essential to the success of your vertical garden. Make sure your containers have adequate drainage and water your plants regularly, especially during hot summer months. Consider installing a drip irrigation system for efficient watering. Additionally, don't forget to regularly check for pests, prune as needed, and provide necessary nutrients to keep your garden thriving. Finally, the time has come to harvest and enjoy the fruits of your labor. As your plants grow and bear fruits or flowers, be sure to regularly harvest them. This not only promotes continuous growth, but also allows you to savor the rewards of your gardening efforts. Take a moment to sit back, relax, and enjoy the beauty and bounty of your vertical garden. We hope this video has inspired you to try vertical gardening in your small space. With a little creativity and planning, you can create a stunning garden on your balcony or patio. Remember to choose the right containers, prepare the soil, incorporate vertical structures, provide proper irrigation, and enjoy the harvest. Happy gardening!